Hey guys, it's KC here with Outdoor High Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make some heavy duty RV jack pads. I've been wanting to do this for a while now. We've had an RV for the last 3 years, and the pads that I use are just like 2x12s, and I've got a bunch of them, and I'm having to stack on top of each other, and it's just a pain in the butt. I'm wanting to make some good, nice, heavy-duty jack pads out of 4x6 and some 2x12s, and a handle, something where I can just grab it real easy, throw it in the back of my truck, and then when I unload it, it's super simple, and they're heavy-duty, and they're going to last a lifetime. All right, guys, all you're going to need for this project is one 2x12 that's 8 foot long, a 4x6 8 foot long, some wood glue, some wood screws 3.5 inches, and if you want to put a handle on it like I am, there's my little handle that I'll have on each of them. I'm gonna make 4 of them out of this for each of my jacks. All right, guys, the first thing that you'll need to do is get your tape measure. I got my 4x6, and I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna mark 12 inches. All right, next thing, you get your 2x12, and you'll cut it 12 inches. All right, next thing you want to do, get your wood glue. Put you a generous amount on each one of them 4x6s. 2x12 on there. Get it matched up. It does not have to be perfect. Ready? Open up your handles. If you want to put handles in here, you don't have to, but I would highly suggest. There you have it. Good, solid block with a handle that'll last forever. Pretty simple to do. So much easier. Getting them in and out of the truck, carrying them. That's all there is to it, folks. There's 4 of them right there. We appreciate you watching. If you like what you saw, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. You guys have a good day.